name's Mary Shelley and I'm a Recreation Center Specialist with the City of Porte, and today we're going to be making giant grilled cheese. And to make this recipe, you're going to need the following ingredients. We're going to have some bacon. We need 4 cups of any kind of cheese. I'm using mild cheddar. We have tomato soup for dipping, garlic, parsley, butter, and of course 2 tubes of French bread. All right, and you're gonna need a bunt pan as well as 2 baking pans for when we cut the bread in half, that each one will set in a different pan. All right, so for the first part of this recipe, we're gonna do our French bread and we're gonna put it in our pan. So we're gonna undo it like it says, and let's pop it just like so. All right, don't forget to spray your pan. So preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and then we're gonna put in our bread. All right, and you will know your bread is done when it is golden brown. Now that our bread is done, we are going to get our pan and flip our bread in. Next step will be cutting the bread, and since our bread is still a little bit warm, you can use your oven mitt. And if you have a bread knife, that would be awesome to use for this, but this is what we have, so we're going to dive on in. Just cut it right in half. Oops. But we're gonna make it work. Let's get it out of the way. All right, so now that we have our bread cut, we're gonna take our bacon that we already cooked and we're just gonna spread it around evenly, just like so. Now that we have our bacon spread out, now comes the cheese. And again, we're using 4 cups, which is what this bag holds, is 4 cups. So just try to do your best to get it as much as you can on the bread. Alright, so I actually ended up using half the bag of cheese, and this is kind of to your taste, to your preference. If you want it really cheesy, you can go ahead and add the whole bag. But for this looks perfect to me. This is going to be about 2 cups of cheese on your bread. Next up, you're going to need a bowl with the Greatest Team, America's Team on it. And what we're going to do is we're going to add some butter and some garlic in this bowl. A little bit of butter and some garlic. We're gonna mix it, and then we're gonna set in the microwave for about 30 seconds and let it melt. Now that our butter and garlic mixture is melted, we're gonna go ahead and put it on the bread. And if you have a brush at home, that would make this process a lot easier, but we have a spoon and we're gonna make it work. Just go ahead and spoon it on there. Get good coverage. Good coating. Try to spread some of your garlic out. That looks super yummy. Don't forget to add your parsley flakes, just like so. Now that we have our sandwich prepared, we're gonna go ahead and put it in the oven for 3 to 5 minutes to let everything melt up. I think our sandwich is done. Oh my goodness. I wish we had smell-o-vision, guys, because the smells coming out of this oven are amazing. Look at that cheese and bacon. Oh, melty. Here's our finished product of the giant grilled cheese. I hope you guys give this a try. I hope you and your friends and family enjoy it, and join us again next time on Munchies with Mary.